guys, welcome to my shop. My name is Hugo. Welcome to Trash Wood Shop channel. And today we are going to build a sanding mop. And this is the items you are going to need. We're going to need something to act as a rough measurement, a scissors, a screw, washers, sandpaper, So, you're gonna cut these strips in half, then we are going to have to assemble something like sandpaper on both sides. So let's do this. So, the cuts now, I'm going to do them like almost to the middle, like so. So as you guys can see, like this big, and this is just the fastest way, I guess. So I'm gonna do this for all the strips. So now I'm going to make a jig to literally just put a hole in the center of those sandpapers, and I think it's faster just by doing one by one. So this is my tip for you guys. So roughly I'm finding the center point on the wood piece. There we go. We got a hole. Awesome. So let's show. Awesome. Now what we are going to do is literally just grab a pair of these like so, put them in the hole, and we are going to make, you can start by making a cross or a circle like this. Then add the washer. And you will get yourself a sanding mop on the end. Just a washer, and you bolt the screw or the nut. You put in one nut I'm gonna put another nut to lock it. And that's it. Sanding mop. So let's do a small test with it. Wow. Awesome. Let's finish this. This is the sanding mop that we were working on. It works great. It is a fast project. You can make it in like 1 hour. The thing is, you have to cut everything, and you can figure out ways to do it faster, but with what I had, this is the fastest I could do it. So it took me about 1 hour to make it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you follow and subscribe to my channel. Give it a like if you like it, and have fun. See you next one.